global warming to global boiling, climate change is altering our lifestyles in every aspect of life. In this pivotal stage of environmental change, we have decided to take part in pitching solutions to climate change-induced problems to prepare for the inevitable future, rather than focusing on the prevention of climate change itself. Climate change is associated with various natural disasters such as droughts, floods, mudslides, cyclones, and heat waves. These disasters significantly decrease crop yield and cause malnutrition of many crops.
Vertical farming, one type of smart farming, promotes sustainable indoor agriculture, which allows the eco-friendly and stable supply of food through efficient use of space. However, these farms that will save us from food shortages caused by climate change in the future are still limited to producing only small leaf plants, because most LEDs used for these vertical farms to illuminate plants are mimicking sunlight, even though previous studies have found out that constant exposure of crops to sunlight LEDs negatively impact plant growth. And now, we'll present a brilliant idea to solve this problem and open the doorway to the new future for mankind. We found out that plants exposed to artificial moonlight at night has significantly greater chloroplasts and organelles directly related to plant growth through various experiments. Thus, incorporating artificial moonlight in vertical farms will increase productivity.
We first germinated Arabidopsis and tatsoi sprouts, exposing the experimental group to LEDs modeling sunlight from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and LEDs modeling moonlight from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. A control group was maintained under standard daylight conditions. As shown in the bar graph, the plants applied with the LED moonlight significantly increased on both days 14 and 24 compared to the plants without the moonlight. This result indicates that LED moonlight can be used to enhance the growth of plants.
Next, we use a fluorescent microscope to image chlorophyll and lignin within plant cells for chlorophyll and lignin analysis. The image shows the natural fluorescent emission of red chlorophyll, blue lignin, and green flavonoids inside plant leaves. This result indicates that LED moonlight increased the chlorophyll concentration compared to the negative control group, which was not exposed to LED moonlight. Lastly, chloroplast DNA was extracted and quantified using qPCR, with cpDNA copy number normalized to a single copy nuclear gene. As shown in the graphs, cpDNA concentration was greater for the plants exposed to the moonlight in both plant species. cpDNA concentration is directly related to the number and functionality of chloroplasts, thus essential for plant growth. Plants with higher cpDNA concentrations produce more biomass, grow faster, and better withstand environmental stresses. The innovative approach of integrating artificial LED moonlight in smart farming has demonstrated significant potential to enhance plant growth and chloroplast DNA concentration. This method addresses the limitations of traditional LED lighting in vertical farming by promoting a more efficient growth environment, even for a wider variety of crops. Therefore, this method provides a novel solution for sustainable agriculture in the face of climate change.